one thing is that as much as we know that we have to set goals and do things in a systematic and timely manner, we do not do it. And something like this is like a refresher, and which also tells you that there are a few methods to do it. Like for example, writing this down makes it more specific. Then instead of just saying that I want to lose weight, I want to say that I have to be specific, that I need to do this much every day so that in 6 months I will see what my target is. And the next thing I liked is that even if you reach 80% of your goal, we should not be dejected, and we should continue, and we should praise ourselves for achieving that, and continuing the effort. So these are three things which, even if we know, it is something better to listen to somebody who puts it in a structured way, and I found it extremely useful. So to put it in a mild way, that if you do this again on any other topic similar to this in which there is time management, goal setting, I will attend again.
That's great. That's great. Thank you very, very much.
Insightful session which I have attended during the entire lockdown, because in a way, yes, this has helped me understand how to put things into a very clinical, structured format, which is very important over here, because all these things are there in our mind. But at times, what happens is, in the rat race or in pursuit of something else, or because of distraction, we go helter skelter. We run here and there, not knowing what exactly is that we should do with the time. So especially one of your point which you just mentioned, that by just waking up for 30 minutes a day, and especially if I correlate it with the 90-day target or the goal setting, in the end I've got a good amount of time which I can fruitfully use in achieving my goal. So definitely yes, this workshop has helped me to understand how to put things in a very clinical format, and how to put your mind into a paper, so that once it is on paper, I think, as you rightly said, in this process you are feeding a thought in the subconscious mind, and this is helping you to drive or chase that particular goal which you had set in your life. So I would really appreciate Dr. Venkatesh. It was one of the very insightful sessions that I had ever had during this lockdown. Thank you very much. I think I am in this game. I mean, you will get to see in 3 months' time that these goals are achieved, and I'm very thankful to you for putting things across in a very simple and structured format. Thank you.
Thank you. Arun, whatever you taught today was really wonderful. Things mostly we know, many things is known, but we don't apply those things in our life. But here it's a total, you have given a step-by-step way to how to implement those things. And most best takeaway is writing a diary, because I write down my goals. I have written many times on a piece of paper or somewhere else, but making a diary and making a proper note is the best thing. Most of them, it's said that you think bigger dreams. So over there, the goals, how to make them then specific, and it is contradicts. Visualization is bigger dreams, and goals again we have to make it measurable and achievable.
वही है ना कि अगर मुझे मैराथन भागना है, सेम एग्जांपल इफ आई वुड लाइक टू कोट, आई कैन नॉट रन जनवरी 2021 मैराथन टुडे सिटिंग हियर डूइंग नथिंग. विजुअलाइजेशन तो है कि मुझे भी मिलियन सोमन बनना है.
Okay.
But that visualization will not help me today. For that I have to act. For that I have to plan. Okay. Visualize करना कोई गलत नहीं है, but गलत सर ये सोच के कि मैं भी उनके जैसा हो जाऊंगा, is something which is a big visualization. इस तरह करो आपसे होगा. तो जैसे अभी जोसेफ ने बताया, जैसे देवेंद्र बताया कि 5 किलो वेट लूज करना महीने में, it is possible. If you say that I want to lose 20 kilos in a month, it looks slightly difficult. Visualize इस तरह करो जो कर पाएंगे.
Okay.
Can I say something?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so I'll give you my example. I've never walked in my life. I've never. In my life, I cannot walk. I always take some sort of transport.
Okay.
So what I did, I decided to lose 22 kilos. Now, a guy who has never walked in life, in his entire life, how will he lose 22 kilos? And I like to eat, right? So I visualized big. So what I took a photograph of me, of my old photograph when I was in college, where I was ideal weight, correct? And I looked at it and said, I want to be like this. Okay, so I visualized big. But then I did a lot of reading on weight loss, like permanent weight loss, not temporary. So then they said that if you wish to lose weight, you can only, and keep it lost, you can only do 2 to 3 kilos a month.
Okay.
So if you do 2 to 3 kilos a month in let's say 3 kilos. So in 10 months, you can lose 30, or in 8 months, you can lose 22 or 25 or whatever. So even though I visualized big, I took an approach which is very conservative and attainable.
Okay. Okay.
So if I visualize big and I say that I want to lose 22 kilos in a month, then probably I visualize big, but it is not actionable. Yes, that's what I think, that it says that I made bite-sized portions, and every day I'm just looking at my scale. Even if I lose 100 grams, I'm okay.
Okay.
And I'm so far 2 months, I'm able to do it.
Thanks, Joseph for sharing. राजू जी, आपके पास कार है?
Yeah.
कौन सा कार है सर?
Centozing.
Okay. Can you visualize that I will buy an Audi?
Bit difficult.
Difficult लगा. Okay. Can you visualize having a Jaguar?
More difficult.
Okay. तो उसको आप visualize नहीं करोगे. Okay. But Audi, you said, slightly difficult.
Yeah.
Maybe Mercedes, not difficult. I'm just giving an example.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe a Fortuner, achievable.
Okay. Okay.
आज आप Santro Zing में हो, which is a small vehicle. Tomorrow, if you suddenly shift to a Fortuner, आपका gap देखो कितना आप बढ़ गए. Okay. So this is something which is possible.
Okay.
मैं यहाँ से यहाँ देखूंगा कि मैं यहाँ से जगुआर जाना है, तो maybe my visualization itself is wrong.
Okay.
Okay, तो मुझे भी पता है कि यार जगुआर नहीं जाऊंगा until unless मैं किसी बैंक को डाका नहीं डालूं. So for me that visualization is a reality also, because मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा यार. At the same time, Santro Zing से लेके मैं Santro Hyundai का समझो, Hyundai का Ascent है अभी. Hyundai Ascent is achievable. वो मत कीजिएगा. Next is Honda, that is also achievable. वो मत कीजिएगा. But maybe a Fortuner which is close to 25
Okay.
amount, okay, वो visualize कर सकते हैं और वो शायद हो भी सकता है.
Okay. Fine.
That is how it is. आज मैं बोलूं कि यार मेरा खुद का चार्टर्ड फ्लाइट चाहिए और मैं विजुअलाइज कर रहा हूँ कि मैं चार्टर्ड फ्लाइट में घूम रहा हूँ, तो मुश्किल होगा ना सर.
बराबर है.
गोल जो है मैं अचीवेबल नहीं रखा हूँ.
बराबर.
प्रेशर भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा. कब लूंगा मैं? मेरे पास तो गाड़ी नहीं है, मैं लूंगा कब? Those things is something which is that you visualize, which is possible. आज आप बिजनेस जो कर रहे हो, which you said you have to call 4 people in a day. महीने के बाद 120 लोग को बुलाने के बाद आपको लगेगा कि मेरा बिजनेस जो 1 करोड़ का था यार 1 करोड़ 10 लाख हुआ है. That 10 lakhs is also good thing for us to start.
Okay. Okay.
These are all old clients.
Okay.
But can you visualize कि मेरा 1 करोड़ का, I mean, if you are doing an 1 crore business, can you visualize that I will do 100 crores in 3 months?
No, not possible.
होगा ना सर? Should be there. Goals set to ऐसा करो कि आप 1 से 10 पहुंचो, 10 से 20, 20 से 25, 30, 50, फिर 100. एक साथ 100 मत रखिएगा, फिर आपको डिमोटिवेशन ही होगी.
Okay.
आप कहीं ना कहीं खो जाओगे, यार ये मैं रखना ही नहीं चाहिए था. वो जब रखोगे ना तो नहीं अचीव कर पाओगे. बट एज आई सेड, डोंट बी कंजर्वेटिव. सेंट्रो जिंक से एसेंट जाना बहुत इजी है. बोलूंगा दुनिया को मैं जिंक बेच के एसेंट लेना है तो इट इज पॉसिबल. जिंक निकाल के फॉर्च्यूनर लेना इज समथिंग व्हिच इज अचीवेबल. फॉर्च्यूनर के बाद आप बोलो ऑडी, नहीं मर्सिडीज के बाद बोलिएगा ऑडी, ऑडी के बाद बोलिएगा जगुआर.
Okay.
It makes sense.
Okay.
That is how it is.
Okay, sir.
आप करिएगा visualize, but this is what I would like to say. जैसे आप
Okay.
मेरे इसमें देखोगे कि इवन आई वांट टू लूज वेट, आई हैव लॉस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट ऑफ वेट।
Okay.
आज मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार अर्नोल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर का बॉडी चाहिए, वो होगा क्या? विजुअलाइज तो कर दिया, विजुअलाइज तो कर दिया, कर सकते हैं हम, बट उसके लिए उतना करना मेहनत है।
बराबर.
It could be possible that after 1 year I become like that. It is not impossible. विजुअलाइज करें, हाइट बढ़ाना है, हाइट तो बढ़ा नहीं पाऊंगा, बढ़ाना है हो जाएगा, वेट कम करना है हो जाएगा। आज मैं 5 फुट का हूं, कल मुझे 6 फुट होना है तो नॉट पॉसिबल।
Yes.
That visualization is wrong.
Yes.
If I am 50 today and I want to bring it to 40, that visualization is easy. Visualize ki 45, bring it to 40, then you can, if you settle at 45, be happy.
Okay.
स्ट्रेच करो, रबर बैंड को स्ट्रेच करेंगे थोड़ा अच्छा है, उसको इतना भी स्ट्रेच मत कीजिएगा कि रबर बैंड टूट जाए।
Yeah. True.
That is what it is.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem.